Good afternoon, Clarkson Commercials here in Glasgow once again, and quite clearly this one is another Ford Transit. It's a 2010 Ford Transit 330 long wheelbase high roof. 2010, 39,000 miles, it's got beautifully low mileage on it, factory white in colour, and hopefully in the next couple of minutes I'll work my way around the van and give you a very good overall idea of just what calibre of van we're talking about. Coming into the back here, very clean on the ply lining. Got the bulkhead up top there that separates the back from the front, and you've got some overhead driver storage there as well. But very clean. That is the original ply in there. And step on the back, as you can see, and the alloy block there is for it's for the jack to sit on. It's a jack plinth that comes with the Transits as well. That often goes missing, but it's still there. But clean, original, crisp, sharp, and it really is all of the originality with this one, as well as the mileage, 39,000 miles. Here we are, just coming down the back doors. All clean, sharp, good shut lines, everything is as it should be. And just coming round to the near side, I'll just close this door and give you a clear view down the side. And there you go. 2.4 turbo diesel, rear wheel drive, 115 horsepower, 6-speed box, and the 115 engine just gives it a little bit of extra torque over that of the 100. We'll make our way into the cabin. In actual fact, I'll come round this way and get in the driver's door. Plastics are all in good order, nothing broken or hanging off, no cracked lights or any sort. Really sharp and smart, this one. All the vans go through our workshop for a very rigorous workshop check, and we're only too happy to show you our own internal paperwork relating to that check. And round into the cabin, we've got nice clean upholstery, excuse the shadowing with the sunshine. Nice clean up original upholstery. The van is still complete with the spare key as well, and the grey key tags. Right, there is a transistor radio there, and I'll show you why in a second. Right, what we have here, give me a second. The logbook shows it's a 2-owner vehicle, but it's the same name on it twice, with a very slight change. It looks like a company buyout or something, to be honest. So in effect it's had 1 owner from new, although the logbook states 2. Service history. This is a great thing. Service prints showing each and every individual mechanical task from new. Every nut, bolt, filter, tyre, washer, bulb, service, everything is all highlighted there, along with radio codes and the key codes at the top there. And it finishes over just over the page there. And that will pass with the sale, but initially it is there free for you to peruse. MOT until October of this year. Let me confirm that. Yes, MOT until October of this year. We HPI check all our vans, everything's all HPI checked, and again you are welcome to look at that. We've got a complete transparency policy when we sell vans. So anyway, this one is a 6-speed, being 115 horsepower. Again, very crisp, very sharp. Lovely original condition, not a messy van that's been dressed up for sale. Just a nice, crisp, sharp machine. Now, the reason why I've got this radio here is, you're probably wondering, the vehicle is fitted with an inverter, which is that there, and you may be wondering what an inverter is. An inverter boosts power up to 240 volts, so if I put that plug in there, the radio will start playing. Excuse the reception. Take the plug out, and there you go. It's a usual, a normal 240 volt 3-pin plug in the inverter. There you go. So I'm not quite sure what current that'll take. I mean, it'll certainly do phone chargers and various things, and I'm not quite sure if it would go to the extent of kettles and all that stuff. But anyway, that's in the van. It is operational. We are not electricians. We're not. That's not That's a bit left of centre for our sphere of knowledge, but it is there, it is working, and I thought I would demonstrate it there by way of the wee transistor radio. So there we go, that's a 2010 Ford Transit 330, long wheelbase high roof, 39,000 miles with the full service history. As per company policy, I'll say the usual line I do in all the vans: everything that we sell is second hand. Everything that we sell has had a first life before it comes to us, and they may have marks or imperfections commensurate with age, mileage and use. My name is Barry, we're open 7 days, weekends till noon. That van is an absolute cracker, very rare in this condition with this mileage. Come to Clarkson's, the vans are great and the kettle is always on.